Have you ever spent hours repeating the same work across multiple sheets? If the answer is yes, then you are watching the right video. Let's say you need to create a sales table for 8 different months, each on its own sheet. In this video, I will show you a simple trick to do it just once and have it appear perfectly across all sheets. Here you can see we are in the MS Excel sheet and we need to create 8 tables in 8 different sheets. So let's first open the 8 sheets. Now go to sheet 1 and press shift from keyboard and without leaving it, click on the last sheet. And here you can see that all the tabs have turned into white. This is basically called grouping in Excel. Now let's start creating our table. Let me type here product A, B, C, D. Then we can add unit price, discount, units sold. And let's just quickly format this table. I also want to add the information of month here. So I am going to type here the formula equal to, first let's write the formula of date, okay? Here you can see it is asking for the year, so I am going to type 2025. For the month, I want the formula to be smart enough to give me the month's name according to the sheet number. For example, I want to see the month January in sheet 1, month Feb in sheet 2, month March in sheet 3 and so on. So I am going to type here sheet with brackets, okay? And then for the day, I am going to put 1 and press enter. Now it is giving me the date and I want to see it in the form of text. So I am going to type here another formula, text, and then type M 4 times, close the quotes, close the bracket and press enter. And here I am seeing the name of the month, okay? And once you are done with your requirements, you can click on any sheet name and you can see here that all the sheets will turn to their original states. Now, if you start seeing from sheet 1, you can see here that my all the sheets have the same table that I created once, and moreover, I am also seeing the name of month changing in each sheet. Similarly, if you want to make any changes in only 2 sheets, like you can say that you want to make changes in sheet 1 and sheet 3, then what you can do? First go to sheet 1, press Ctrl from keyboard. This time I am telling you to press Ctrl, and let me explain you later that why I have switched from shift to Ctrl. And then without leaving the control, select the other sheet, let's say sheet 4, okay? Here you can see that only 2 sheets have been selected. Now let's make some changes here. Let me put E here and then again click on any sheet to ungroup it and see. I got the E in sheet 1 and I got the E in sheet 4 while my other sheets have not been changed, okay? So when you want to select the entire range of sheets, you are supposed to press shift from the keyboard. Shift basically allows you to select the full range between the starting point and ending point. Like if I press shift and then press sheet 5, you can see that first 5 sheets have been grouped, okay? But control allows you to select individual sheets, okay? Like if I want to select some random sheets, then you will press Ctrl from keyboard and then you can select the sheets that you want to select. So if you like the today's video, then don't forget to hit like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel.